Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, let's talk about type conversion and type coercion in JavaScript. So basically both do the same thing, type coercion and type conversion. But what is the difference? Let's find out. So type coercion is an implicit conversion that JavaScript performs automatically when working with an operation or between different data types. Let's say JavaScript tries to make sense of this operation by converting one or both of the variables to a compatible type. Let's say it is having we are giving an input of an integer along with a string. So when we give these values, JavaScript will check their data types and automatically convert it to the proper appropriate value, appropriate data type. I'll give you an example. Let's say we are giving some values. Let's say let result equal to result is a variable. We are giving value to the result variable, that is, let's say 100 or 1000. Okay, 1000 along with string 250. What would be the answer? We might think 250. No, it doesn't work like that. JavaScript will convert this as a string. The number 1000 also will be converted as a string, and the value will be something you won't think. That's This will be the value 1000250, because JavaScript will convert this 1000 into a string because a string is added to the number. So by default, it will consider us both as it will convert both as string and join together. That's why it is 1000250 as a string. So this is the default feature of JavaScript. It will automatically convert whatever we give. So that is type coercion. Next is type conversion. Type conversion is a in JavaScript. It is like we are doing the conversion, but type coercion, it is by default it is doing automatically. So type conversion refers to explicitly converting a value from one data type to another. This is done using built-in functions or operators such as number, string, boolean, or percent. Let's see an example. Let's say this variable number is having a value of 500, and we are trying to convert it to a string using type conversion. It's a function, built-in function. We are passing the number to the string. So once you print out, you will get S500 as a string. So the number 500 is converted to string 500 using this function. There are several functions, several built-in functions or operators in JavaScript which we can use to convert the data types of the variables we are giving. Let's see another example. Let's say there is a string with the value, let's say 155, 155, 155, and we are trying to convert this string into a number. So let number from string is equal to, this is the variable. So we are converting the string into a number. So there is a built-in function number. We will pass this str to that number, and when we print out this, we will get 155. Sorry, I accidentally clicked on enter button. Okay, when you print this number from string variable, you will get a string. A string is converted to a number. You'll get a number 155 number. Before it was a string of 155. So now it is converted to string. Let's see another example. Let's say there is a string. There's a variable called str test, and it is having a value of hello. We are trying to convert this string into an array. So let's create an array. Let's say variable name is sample array. So this variable string we are going to convert is hello. So array dot from is a built-in function. So sorry, array dot from, we are passing this variable to the array dot from. Automatically that will be split into different array elements. and when we print that sample array field variable, we'll get HELLO separate as an array. So JavaScript automatically converts. Sorry, when we use this array dot from built-in function, we can convert explicitly to another data type. We'll see another example. Let's say array test1 is a variable, and we are giving value to it. Currently, we converted string to array. Now we are going to convert array to string. So array test1 is an array. Let's say we are creating a string test string, and we are converting array to string. So we can write arr test1 dot toString. ToString is also a built-in function. So we are passing that arr test1 into it. So what is the field name? Arr test. Okay, testing. Okay, we are printing that one. We will get it as a string. It was an array of 1 comma 2 comma 3 integers. Now it is a string of 1 comma 2 comma 3. So arr array to string will convert it to a string, an array to a string. These all are built-in functions we use to do type conversion. So type conversion is explicitly done by the developers, but type conversion is performed automatically by the JavaScript based on the context of the operation. That is a difference. I hope you understood everything. You understood? Let's see in another video.